it great?
All right, you're going the right way for a smack bottom.
Whoa.
That champion shall have the honor, no, the privilege
Isn't it
to
great?
go forth and rescue
Get in big
the
trouble, I
lovely
know.
Princess Fiona from the
I wonder if
fiery
it's
keep
brains or
of the
still in there.
dragon.
There's only one way to
If,
know.
for
Come
any
on,
reason,
let's go
the
check it
winner
out.
is unsuccessful,
The only checking out you will do would be to check out of here. We're
Man,
way
so
beyond the boundary of the Pride Land.
plus
some of you
Banana
may
Beak is
die.
scared.
It's
it's a
Mr.
sacrifice
Banana Beak to you,
I am
Fuzzy.
willing to
And
make.
right now we are all in very real danger.
Danger? Ha! I walk on the
Let the
wild
tournament
side.
begin.
I laugh when I face danger.
It's hideous.
Well,
that's not very
What
nice.
have we got here?
just a donkey.
What do you think, Ed?
Knights, new plan. The one who kills the ogre
Just what I was thinking.
will be named champion.
Trio of
How about him?
trespassers. And quite by accident, let me assure you. A simple navigational error.
Let the tournament begin.
I know that. You're Mufasa's
You can't do anything to me.
That
Oh, look at the sun. It's time to go.
What's the hurry?
We'd that's not very nice.
Yeah, we could
Just
have
a
whatever's
donkey.
lying around.
indeed. Knights, new plan.
What?
The one who kills the ogre
Hey, do
will
we
be
order
named
this dinner to go?
champion.
No.
How about him?
Why?
Oh, hey, now come on. Hang on now. Can't we just settle this over a pint? Hey, now come on. Hang on.
Simon
now.
Phoenix, lie down.
Can't we just settle this over a pint? No. All right then.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Come on. Can't we?
What, you
will
guys
be
don't have
named
sarcasm anymore?
champion. How about him?
Oh, hey, now come on. Hang on now. Can't we just settle this over a pint?
Simon Phoenix,
No.
lie down on the
Hang on
ground,
now.
or else.
Can't we just settle this over a pint? Come on.
Named champion. How about him?
Oh, hey, now come on. Hang on. Can't we just settle this over a pint? No. All right then. Come on.
There it goes!
Did we lose him? I think so. Where's Zazu?
Come on.
Hey! Why don't you pick on somebody your own size?
You?
If you ever come near my son again,
Thank you very much. I'm here till Thursday. Try the deal.
Did you know that?
No, me?
No, of course not.
Ed?
Shall I give the order, sir?
Doodle.
People of Duloc, I give you our champion!
What?
Congratulations, Ogre. You've won the honor of embarking on a great and noble quest.
Quest? I'm already on a quest. A quest to get my swamp back.
Your swamp?
Yeah, my swamp, where you dumped those fairy tale creatures.
Indeed. All right, Ogre, I'll make you a deal. Go on this quest for me, and I'll give you your swamp back.
Exactly the way it was.
Down to the last slime-covered toadstool.
And the squatters?
As good as gone.
What kind of quest?
Let me get this straight. You're gonna go fight a dragon and rescue a princess just so Farquhar to give you back the swamp, which you only don't have because he filled it full of freaks in the first place. Is that about right?
You know what?
Never mind.
Maybe there's a good reason donkeys shouldn't talk.
I don't get it, Shrek. Why don't you just pull some of that ogre stuff on him? You know, throttle him, lay siege to his fortress, grind his bones to make you bread. You know the whole ogre trick.
Oh, I know what. Maybe I could have decapitated an entire village and put their heads on a plate. Got a knife, cut open their spleen and drink their fluids.
It's a glow rod.
Does that sound good to you?
No, not really, no.
For your information, there's a lot more to ogres than people think.
Having trapped in
Example?
Example?
Now make sure that
Okay,
Done. I want a visual.
ogres
Now, every quarter
are
of
like
these, I want
onions.
full census router to me, and I want it 90 seconds
stink?
ago.
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry.
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No! Layers! Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
Oh, you both have layers. Oh. You know, not everybody likes onions. Cake! Everybody loves cakes. Cakes have layers.
I don't care what everyone likes. Ogres are not
If I told
like
you, it
cakes.
wouldn't be a surprise now, would it?
If you tell me, I'll still act
You know what else everybody like? Parfaits. Have you
You
ever met a
are
person
such
you
a
say, hey,
naughty
let me get some
boy.
parfaits? They say, hell no, I don't like no
Scar.
parfaits. Parfaits are delicious.
No!
This is
You
just for
dense,
you and your
irritating
daddy.
miniature beast of burden. Ogres are like
Son.
onions. End of story. Bye-bye.
Well,
See you later.
I'd better go get him.
I'll go with you.
No.
Parfaits may be the most delicious thing
Stay
on the
on
whole
this rock.
damn planet.
You know,
You wouldn't want to
I
end
think I
up in
preferred
another
your
mess
humming.
like you did with the
Do you have a
hyenas.
tissue or
You
something?
know
I'm
about
making a
that?
mess.
Simba,
Just the word
everyone
parfait made me
knows
start
about that.
slobbering.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Damn planet.
You know,
Lucky
I think I
Daddy was
preferred
there
your
to
humming.
save you, eh?
Delicious thing on the whole damn
And just between us, you might want to
Parfaits
work
may
on
be
that
the
little
most
roar of
delicious thing
yours,
on the
hmm?
whole damn planet.
You know,
Okay.
I think I preferred your humming.
Do you have a tissue or
Hey,
something?
Uncle
'Cause I'm
Scar.
making a mess.
Will I
Just the
like
word
the
parfait
surprise?
made me start slobbering.
Simba, it's to die for.
Just the word parfait made me start slobbering.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. And everything you receive up yonder is what you give to me today. I wonder. I'm on my way.
Yes, tiny fishes. Not so tiny fishes. Fishes as big as this boat.
Whew, Shrek, did you do that? Man, you gotta warn somebody before you just crack one off. My mouth was open and everything.
Believe me, donkey, if it was me, you'd be dead. It's brimstone. We must be getting close.
Let's go up and see the fish.
Don't be talking about
Not
the brimstone.
now, your
I know
mama's
what I
blood.
smell, and there wasn't no brimstone. Then come off no stone.
Come back, Five. Wait!
What am I going to do with you? You stay closer to home. Don't you go running off.
Mama!
Ah, so little.
We saw some fish.
Sure, it's big enough. But look at the location.
Remember
when you said that ogres have
Won't it be nice to get to America where we don't
have a bit of a confession to make. Donkeys don't have layers. We wear our feet right out there on our sleeves.
in America.
Wait a second. Donkeys don't have sleeves.
You know what I mean.
Oh, you can't tell me you're afraid of heights.
No, I'm just a little uncomfortable about being on a rickety bridge over a boiling lake of lava.
Donkey, I'm right here beside you, okay? For emotional support. We'll just tackle this thing together, one little baby step at a time.
Really?
Really?
Okay. That makes me feel so much better.
Just keep moving. Don't look down.
And the streets are paved with cheese. There are no cats in America, so set your mind
Looking down! Let me off right now.
But you're already halfway.
Yeah, but I know backhand to say.
Okay, fine. I don't have time for this. You go back.
You wasting things in my Sicily, we had an
Oh, I'm sorry. Do I?
He was a taffy, really
Oh,
a taste for my
this?
Yes,
Yes.
for him, the
Yes,
dance,
do it.
he would see her.
Okay.
We found her Rosalie on the ground. No! I'm gonna die. Jack, I'm gonna die. But... Oh!
That'll do, Donkey. That'll do.
Cool. So where is this fire-breathing pain in the neck anyway?
Inside, waiting for us to rescue her.
I was talking about the Dragon Shrek.